Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, we are going to continue to solve the next three subdivisions in question 4 in exercise 5.1. So it says a, comma, 2a, comma, 3a, 4a and so on. A is going to be the first term. Now let us check the common difference. So if I subtract a from 2a, I get an answer a. Okay, now let's see between 3a, if I subtract 2a, I continue to get the difference as a. So this is an AP and its common difference is a. So now let us generate the next three terms of the AP. So how do? We add a to the last term. So it gives you a 5a, add a to 6a to get 7a. So the next three terms of the AP are 5a, 6a and 7a. Now let us look at the next series. A square, a cube, a to the power 4 and so on. So the first term is a. Now let us see if the common difference holds. So a squared minus a. Let me simplify this. I'm going to take a outside. So it is a into a minus 1. Now let us subtract the second term from the third term. So a cube minus a squared, which is equal to a squared into a minus 1. So if you see between these two, the common difference does not hold. Although the a minus 1 matches, here it is a and here it is a squared. So this is not an AP, and since it's not an AP, we are not generating the next three terms. Now the 12th one, this is root 2, comma, root 8, comma, root 18, root 32 and so on. So in this case, the first term is root 2. So a is equal to root 2. Before finding the common terms, I'm going to simplify these root 8, 18 and root 32. So I can write the series as root 2, comma, root 8 can be written as root of 4 into 2. So essentially it is 2 root 2. Now root 18 can be written as 9 into 2 within the root. So this is 3 root 2. Now root 32 can be written as 16 into 2, which is essentially 4 root 2. Now it is easy for us to do the common difference. From the second term, I subtract the first term, I get a common difference of root 2. Now the same holds between the third and the second term. So this series is an AP. Now it is an AP with common difference of root 2. Now let's generate the other three terms for this, which is going to be 5 root 2, 6 root 2 and 7 root 2. And remember, these were not written in this style, so I have to convert it and write it in the form root 2, root 8, root 18, 32. So I can't write suddenly 5 root 2, 6 root 2, 7 root 2, although they are going to mean the same. So we are going to write 5 root 2 can be written as root 50. Why? Because I'm taking the 5 inside, so it will become 25. 25 into 2 is root 50. So you can reconfirm. So root 50 can be broken as 25 into 2, 5 root 2. So this is going to be root 50. Now 6 root 2, I can see 6 if I take it inside, it is 36 actually. 36 into 2 is 72. So this is root 72. 7 if you take it inside, it becomes 49. 2s are 98. So the next one is root. So now see the next three terms of the AP are root 50, root 72 and root 98. In the next video, we will continue to do the last three subdivisions in this particular question. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.